Two fictional rental keycards appear for the same 3-night stay. Listing A displays $72 per night. Listing B displays $88 per night. The first number is lower, so listing A can look cheaper at a glance. But a nightly rate is only one line of a complete price. This lesson keeps the dates, occupancy, nightly charges, and one-time cleaning fees visible until both totals are complete. Start with the shared quantity, 3 nights. 2 moon strips each show night 1, night 2, and night 3. Nothing about the stay length changes between the listings. That matters because a fair comparison needs the same quantity on both sides. Comparing one nightly rate with a 3-night total would mix unlike measures before any fee is considered. Now build listing A's base charge. 3 nights multiplied by $72 per night equals $216. The multiplication lane carries all 3 parts, the quantity, the rate, and the resulting base cost. $216 is not yet the complete total. It is the price of the nights before the fictional one-time cleaning line is added. Listing B follows the same structure. 3 nights multiplied by $88 per night equals $264. Its base charge is therefore $48 higher than listing A's base charge. That difference is real, but it still does not settle the comparison because the 2 one-time fees have not entered either total. The luggage cards reveal those fees. Listing A adds a fictional cleaning fee of $85. Listing B adds a fictional cleaning fee of $20. A one-time fee does not repeat with every night in this example, but it still changes the amount due for the complete stay. The gap between the cleaning fees is $65, which is larger than the $48 gap between the base charges. Now reconcile listing A on a receipt. The 3-night base is $216. Cleaning adds $85. $216 plus $85 equals a complete fictional total of $301. Every displayed amount has one roll, and the receipt does not hide the fee inside the nightly rate. Listing B's receipt starts with its $264 base charge. Cleaning adds $20. $264 plus $20 equals a complete fictional total of $284. The higher displayed nightly rate produces the lower complete total in this example because its one-time fee is much smaller. The finished tracks compare both complete totals from the same starting line. Listing A finishes at $301. Listing B finishes at $284. The gap is $17 because $301 minus $284 equals $17. The conclusion comes from complete totals, not from choosing the smallest number printed beside the words per night. A second view spreads each complete total across the same 3 nights. $301 divided by 3 is about $100 and 33 cents per night after the fictional cleaning fee is included. $284 divided by 3 is about $94 and 67 cents per night on the same basis. These effective nightly figures are summary measures for this classroom example. They do not replace the actual receipt lines. Notice what caused the order to reverse. Listing A began $16 lower per night. Across 3 nights, that created a $48 base advantage. But listing A's cleaning fee was $65 higher. The larger fee difference overcame the smaller base advantage, leaving listing A $17 higher overall. The arithmetic links every comparison step without treating a fee as if it were another night. Stay length can change how a one-time fee looks when expressed per night, but this lesson does not invent a second duration. It holds 3 nights fixed so the visual evidence remains narrow and auditable. A different stay length would require a fresh calculation for both listings. The same is true for taxes, occupancy changes, optional services, or any rule that changes the quoted total. The closing stamps preserve the boundary of the example, the same 3 nights, the same occupancy, taxes excluded, and 2 fictional listings. Those conditions are not fine print to ignore. They are part of what makes the comparison like with like. If one side includes a charge that the other side omits, the totals are not yet ready to compare. The plain lesson is not that a lower nightly rate is bad or that a higher nightly rate is better. It is that a partial price cannot answer a complete price question. Multiply each rate by the same quantity, add every applicable fee once in the correct place, and compare totals built on the same assumptions. This example is educational only, not financial advice, and it makes no recommendation about any real property, platform, booking, or purchase.